Beats by 7 7. Beats by 7 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 Beats by 7
Hey YouTubers! So yeah, I just finished making this coconut curry chickpeas with brown rice, and then I put like some avocado. I got some more avocado over here on this bag. I'm ghetto, y'all. I love avocado, love. So yeah, I just made this. I've been wanting to make this because I seen, I'll tag her name. I forgot her name. I think it's Jennifer something. And I got the recipe from her because I was like, I really want to try something different, you know? And I recorded all what I used. So yeah, let's dig into this food. Yeah, I'm so hungry. And this food is so good. I made a lot. I didn't have that many chickpeas in the can. Like, the can didn't come with that many chickpeas, but this food right here, I'm used to watching some TV or something while I eat. So I was like, let me do a mukbang real quick. It's so weird watching me eat. My first mukbang. I look crazy, y'all. I didn't do my makeup. Ooh, and I put some spice in it. Dang, I forgot to get my water. Let me fill up my water bottle right quick. Hold on. I put some cayenne in it because I love me some spice, y'all. I love some spice. Y'all don't know. Look at here. This food right here. And I love avocado, so avocado go good with anything. So move out the way. And I made a lot, so I still got some left. I might get some more because I bought white rice before. I was like, let me get some brown rice. Brown rice is healthier for you. So I got some brown rice. I just got like one of those like microwave packs. Because I didn't feel like waiting for the rice to cook because brown rice, they don't have like brown rice, parboiled brown rice, and I don't know why. I looked in the store, they ain't have it. I went to Ralph's and I was looking for some parboiled brown rice and I could not find it, so I just got a little pack. I showed you everything I used on the last video, but I got a little pack of it. Heat it up in the microwave, even though the microwave is bad for you. Microwavable food is bad, but this food good. It's gonna be a mukbang slash what I cook because look, I need to concentrate on my food because the food is so good. I'm gonna make this again. And the grand masala that I use, I guess it's like that they use a lot in Indian cooking and stuff like that. It smells like the it smells like y'all ever had them little potato like pocket things from like any Ethiopian or Indian restaurant? And they like the little potato pockets. I might make that next because this seasoning, everything, period, everything. And I might make those next, like the little potato pockets. They sell them at Whole Foods too, sambusas or samosas. You know what I'm talking about. But yeah, this food is busting. So thanks for watching. I'm about to dig into the rest of this food, and yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.